In 1850, Adolf Sirisch, a luxuriantly bearded 19th century merchant, inherited a farm in Winterhude, a village just outside the city limits of Hamburg, and set about developing it as a desirable district by building homes and making its canal navigable to attract industry. By the end of the century, Winterhude had officially become integrated into the city, and life there today for its affluent residents revolves around the water or the 120-hectare green lung that is Stadtpark, more than a third of which was once Sirisch's private forest. Built in 1890, the start of the Wilhelminian era under Kaiser Wilhelm II, is one of just 15 properties that sit directly on the waterfront of the perfectly circular and aptly named Rondeal Pond. Approaching on the water is also the only way the public can access this most upmarket of ponds. The villa's historic grandeur and art may be worthy of a museum, all for the right price, by the way, and the owner may be inclined to leave the artworks. But this is a home designed for family life too. Look up and you'll see the decorative Art Nouveau glass cupola that radiates light throughout the 3 floors. In contrast comes the soothing whiteness and Art Nouveau elegance of the adjoining reception room, whose French doors lead into the winter garden, a sumptuous sanctuary with its billowing floor-to-ceiling curtains and crystal chandelier that opens up onto the garden like a private park. The villa is one of only about 5 that is a detached single-family home. The rest have either been divided into apartments or are in small terraces. This rare jewel is on the market at 30 million euro, about 31 million USD, making it the most expensive property currently for sale in Hamburg.